Well, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's grease lightning! Grease lightning! We'll get some overhead lifters and full barrel quads. Oh yeah, keep talking, whoa, keep talking. A fuel injection caught off in chrome plated prods. Oh yeah, I'll get the money, to get the money with the 4-speed on the floor and they're waiting at the door. We know it ain't no tick, gonna get lots of tick. Grease lightning, go, 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 go. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Grease lightning, go. Grease lightning, go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat lap track. Grease lightning, go grease, you are supreme, the chicks will scream, but grease lightning, go, 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 with the purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah, ooh, a Palomino dashboard and dual muffler twins, oh yeah. With new pistons, plugs, and shocks, I can get off my rocks. You know that ain't a real crystal wagon. Grease lightning, go, 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 go. Grease lightning, you're boarded up the quarter mile. Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go, grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat lap trial. Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, you are supreme. The chicks will scream for grease lightning. Go, 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 go. Meow, meow. And then now they're tripping, they're running around with saran wrap. Like they're running around with saran wrap and like legs are coming out of the car, in the trunk, in the engine, in the seats. There's everywhere. Legs are everywhere. And then John Travolta, oh no wait. Somehow there's like a lighter. It set shit's on fire. Oh wait, no, hold on. It was so much is happening. Kaniki is like combing his hair and he's basically lighting a cigarette with a flamethrower. And now Danny, he's running around with saran wrap around the car and then like rubbing it on himself. There's so much happening in this one part. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this part. It's so, okay, and then like, yeah, a hickey from Kaniki's like a Hallmark card. Oh wait, okay, and then and this is the part where they come together, and then like Danny gets to the front of the group, and they all start walking forward, like go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Grease lightning, go grease lightning, go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat lap trial. Grease lightning, go grease lightning, we're supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning, 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 lightning,